Ready to unlock a world of seamless communication with SMS, WhatsApp, and more? Let's dive into setting up your very own Messagebird account. First things first, head over to the Messagebird website and locate the Sign Up button. You'll find it prominently displayed, usually in the upper right corner or center of the home page. Click it to kickstart the registration. You'll be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in your details. This includes your email address, a strong password, and your company name. Make sure to use a valid email as you will need it for verification. Now, check your email inbox for a verification email from Messagebird. Open it and follow the verification link inside. This confirms your email address and authenticates your account. Fantastic! You've been verified. After clicking the link, you'll be automatically logged in and directed to your Messagebird dashboard. This is your home base for managing all your communication channels. From here, you can explore the various features and APIs Messagebird offers. You might want to check out SMS, WhatsApp, or even look at the documentation for connecting with other popular channels. Most accounts require you to enter billing information. At this point, you can find this information in your account settings. To ensure your account is fully functional, you'll want to head to your account settings and add your billing information. Don't worry, you often get free credits to experiment. This will allow you to start testing and integrating Messagebird's powerful communication tools into your projects. And that's it, you're ready to communicate. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tutorials.